In this video I will show you how to quickly and efficiently change a lithium battery, a CR2016 CR2016 battery, as you can see here, in a 2010s Toyota Camry key fob. The quickest way that I found to open this case up is not by using a coin or not even by using a knife, because the knife might be too blunt. You simply get an electrical plug. You stick in one end and make sure it's not plugged in any way, of course. Stick in one end into the fob, give it a little twist, it opens right up. In case you didn't see that, like this, give it a little twist, it opens up. Now when you open up this key fob, you want to be careful to open it up face down, buttons face down, because these buttons are loose and they will tend to kind of migrate and potentially fall out. Now, it's not impossible to put them back together, but it does create a bunch of shiitake mushroom situation. Okay, so that's what the interior of this key fob looks like. Next, you'll see rubber right here. Just try to remember where this goes on the inner case of the key fob. And this is where the battery is housed. These are actually buttons right here, so if you press a button, you may see it light up. See, that's lock and unlock trunk and unlock doors, panic button, for example. I got it out of order, but okay. Next, then for the next part, as you can see here, this does say CR2016. We will need a coin. That's what it says, use coin to open. So I will get a dime. Since dimes are pretty small, that is a US 10-cent coin. And I will go like this. I will kind of give it a twist right here. Oh, there we go. Not yet. Okay. Forgive me, I don't want to break it. We'll use the dime right there. And here we go. That's it. That's all there is to opening the inner case. And once again, you'll see another little kind of rubber thing here with a microchip. Looks like a processor, microchip, whatever. And here's the CR2016 coin. So CR2016 is right here. This was a Panasonic made in Indonesia. I will replace it with a similar CR2016, bought at Dollar Tree, 3 for $1. And at this point, I will, I believe, go like this or go like this. I don't want to damage this. So right there is an area where you can pop the coin out. So I can simply get a screwdriver. Okay, and right here, right there, is where you want to put like a small object in, possibly a screwdriver, non-magnetic of course. You don't want to mess up with circuitry or anything like that, or even plastic tweezers. You put it in right here, it should pop right out, perfect. I will put the new CR2016 back in right here, and as you can see right there, it does say CR2016. And positive or plus is up, and that's what I'm going to do. I'll push in this way. You can see the connectors right there, and it should pop into place in a matter of seconds. And this should actually save you money doing this yourself versus going to a dealership or having a professional do this for you, because they can charge anywhere between $10, $15, $20, okay? Once the battery is back in, I snap it back together like this, the case. I will put the rubber back over it. I will have to piece that back together. And let's see. It's like a puzzle piece. And I believe it'll go like this way. I think that's correct. Or is that incorrect? No, that looks correct. Okay, so I'll piece it back together. I think that's incorrect. Okay, now this little part, if it kind of sticks to the case and it won't come off, don't worry about it. There are grooves right here, which correspond to grooves in this part of the fob. So these two forks, as I call them right here, it looks like one fork, if you will. Looks like right here, this will fit in under there in the fob, okay? And then this bottom part right here, you can see how it kind of has a little lip. This lip will fit into there. So I will go ahead and do this correctly. Okay, remember, these two little prongs, I should call them, not forks, will slide into the fob. The lip will also slide into the fob, and if it takes more than one time, don't worry about it. Everything will fit in perfectly. You can kind of push it, smooth it if you need to. And remember, if it doesn't work the first time, you can do it again. Let me try it one more time myself, for example. Okay, lip is right here, the bottom lip. Here are these little buttons I was talking about earlier, and here is this right here. So I will slip this in to the fob because it slides in. Okay, now I will smooth it out. Just got it a minute ago. And come on in, lip. Forks. One more time. Okay. Here we go. In fact, I was doing it reverse, excuse me. There we go. That's it. That's how it slides in. It's that simple. Okay. I did it reverse, but you get the idea. Lip fits in here. There's two little prongs or pointy things that go in there. Two bumps, and then the fork goes in right there. It slides right in. After that, you get this part of the case, as we discussed earlier, and you can see it corresponds like this. It really only fits one way, and so we will put it in this way, and that should click in. And before you put the final case on, which is right here of the fob, the final part on with the Toyota symbol, you can hold this, reverse it, test it, press the button, lock, unlock, lock. And you hold for trunk, hold for panic, and that's it. It works. And once you reattach this part of the fob, you simply press in, and that's it. It snaps back into place. And that's how you replace a CR2016 battery in a Toyota 2010's Toyota Camry fob. And I say 2010s because I believe Toyota may still make key fobs like this, and they were definitely around in the 2010s. Okay, thank you very much for watching my video. Have a nice day.